So today I'm going to talk about how to do the lip treatment from Biologique Recherche. We start with eye makeup removal. Shake it really well before you use it. You can use it on your lips too. And just a few drops. Take off the lipstick. And then, second one you're going to use on your lips, which you should use every day, it's lotion P50. It doesn't matter which one it is. Whatever you use on your face, use it on your lips. Here I have the small one, travel size. I shake this one too, because all the ingredients go on the bottom. And then cotton pads, really open them up, fold it, few drops of lotion P50, pat it. It stimulates the blood circulation, so anything you use on top, it's going to penetrate better. Then we're going to do Serum 3R, energizing, stimulating, and plumping for face and for lips. So never forget your lips when you do your face. Shake it really well. Again, open up stretch the cotton pads. Almost gone, because I use it every day, that's why. So, just hold your skin a little bit. Move from the bottom to the top. Emphasize when you have deep lines, or even if you don't have deep lines, you need to really prevent those lines from becoming deeper. How do you do that? Really just go on top of the lip. End of the lips. Now we're going to use, so we are preparing the treatment. This is the treatment for the lips. We are preparing the lips to receive final stages on the lips, which is going to be lift kiss. So I love to do it while I'm watching TV. Especially before you have a special night out. You take the top layer and then you seal this on. And then the other one in the bottom. Seal this in. After 15 minutes, take it out to protect protect the lips, especially during the winter, I use Biokiss daily. On inside the lips. To protect the lips outside so that they don't get wrinkled and deep lines, I use Cream Contour de Yeux by Serum. Open it up. You use it around the eyes too, and the lips. And I like to use it really cold around the eyes and on the lips, so I put it in a fridge. See, you press it down, take a little bit. All the products are going to be linked in the notes below.